internet, welcome to vlog number 7. This week we are doing a little bit different. We're going to do more of a narration instead of the normal videos. We're going to start off with the plumbers and the electricians. They did some work in Newton and in Melrose on some existing projects. Also, finally, we have one of the van tour videos. Tim is showing us the contracting van. Hope you enjoy this week's vlog.
Hey guys, it's Tim with T-Pro Contracting, and we're going to do a quick van tour today. Alright, so to start off, this is the door that I use most coming in the back. This is my go-to bag right here. This has pretty much all the hand tools that I need. It's my most commonly used bag. I leave that right by the door. Just to grab it quickly. We hang our levels here. I don't like to have my levels horizontal. Over a long period of time you're driving, sometimes they'll get a bow in them. I like to hang them up that way where I know they're nice and straight. Move along over here, and the van is a work in progress, guys. It's the newest van here with the T-Pro fleet. And also, depending on the season, sometimes we do a lot of the kitchens for Halco showrooms. In the winter things slow down, so we're able to move our van around so we have access to what we need most and what particular season it is. But we've got a collection of grout, caulking, liquid nail, quite a bit there just depending on all the kitchens that we do. We have some other tools here. A lot of Milwaukee, as you'll see, we like our Milwaukee tools here at T-Pro. This is silica sand. I don't know if you guys know what this is. If you have a textured ceiling, once you plaster or sheetrock, you mix this in with your paint and it gives you a different texture. We've got a couple of those in case we have to patch any ceilings. Tape, sanding blocks. We've got some plastic putty knives that I cut down if we've got some hard to reach places when we do any of our plastering. That's always helpful. We've got knives, hawks, everything that we need here. Joint compounds for any of our sheetrock work there as well. Keep a collection of shims up here as well. You can never have. This is our small miter box. We do have a larger 12-inch sliding dual bevel that we keep at the shop, but for walking up and down stairs, making little cuts, this is perfect. Keep plenty of drop cloths in the truck. We like to be nice and clean, make sure we don't make a mess in our customers' home. Milwaukee boxes filled with assortment of nails, screws, whatever else we might need. This is a little bit of a junk drawer here, a little bit of everything. We've got some rollers, some paint, we've got some linemen, strippers, some box extenders. We do a lot of the backsplashes for Halco showrooms, and a lot of times we have to bump the outlets out. Up here we keep an assortment of just scrap, really. A lot of it's 3/4 pine, plywood, things like that. This would be air compressor down here with our gun. Assortment of different brads, pins, nails, everything that we would need there. Guns here, finished guns, pin nailers, nice compact table saw. Again, we have a larger one at the shop. That's a small 10-inch one. It's very light. You can carry it into. And these boxes here, again, just an assortment of little things. We've got coping saws, staplers. If we're putting Tyvek on, we're doing any exterior work. Special screws here. We use these to fasten face frames of cabinets together. They're nice and clean. They've got a cut there so that they don't split the face frame. Microfiber cloths. keep everything nice and clean. Window sprayer for putting in windows. We like to wash the customer's windows after we're done.
Thanks for watching vlog number 7. Hope you enjoyed all the clips and the van tour. Come back next week for vlog number 8. See ya.